Welcome back as we begin with the procedure for terminating the armors. First, release the steel tape armoring and bend the armors into position over the lead sleeve. Make a new bending point when bringing the armors back into position over the sleeve. This will prevent metal fatigue from occurring in the armors. Repeat the procedure for both sets of armors. Using a pair of sharp tin snips, cut the armors to length. All 4 armors must be cleaned to a length of 50 millimeters by first heating the armors and then removing the bitumen with a paraffin-soaked wad of waste. Next, cut a slot into each armor at the center of the prepared end. Bend the earth wire into position and fit a suitable sized lug to the conductor. Bolt the armors and earth wire together using a 6 millimeter bolt, nut and washers. This will ensure total earth continuity and prevent possible arcing between the armors and the lead sleeve. The bolt head must be closest to the sleeve. The joint is finally enclosed into its outer protection box by first placing it into the concrete or iron outer protection box. Soil should be packed around the box in order to create a seal around it, thus preventing compound migration. The box is then filled with E-pure bituminous compound that has been heated to between 160 and 180 degrees centigrade. Before returning to service, the joint must be electrically tested to ensure for correct phasing and insulation. This concludes the jointing procedure for the PLSTS 11 kV straight joint. Join us again when you can learn more about joints and terminations in this series on electrical cables.